Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to work with pen tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Example, I make thumbnail with pen tool. Click pen tool. Use shape, path, shape or path. First of all, I use work shape. Then after use path. Okay. Then shape color, shape fill color. Use this and use outline color. Example, white or black. Press enter. Then click anywhere, hold alter, click, then remove this, hold alter, hold alter, hold alter. Okay. Change stroke color, white, press Ctrl Z. Again, create a new layer. Do not use fill, use only stroke. Hold alter, same process. Change stroke size. Okay, and use path tool. Click pen tool again, use pen tool, use path. Then hold alter. You can use perfectly. I use example normally, then create a layer mask. Again create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.